Find features that differentiate it from other brands for darkFlash. V92, 9.2-inch PC case screen, 1920x462, IPS Sensor Panel Monitor. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. PC case monitor and sensor panel. The 9.2-inch V92 is a dedicated PC screen for case builds, showing CPU/GPU temperatures, usage, RAM, fan speeds, clocks, weather, and custom widgets. It is not a standard extended monitor. 1920x462 IPS LCD screen for PC. This ultra-wide PC case LCD delivers bright, sharp visuals and wide viewing angles for easy reading through tempered glass. The slim aluminum body measures 242.4 x 63.1 x 12 mm. USB-C or internal 9-pin connection. Connect through an external USB port or an available motherboard USB 2.0 9-pin header. No HDMI or display port is required, keeping GPU video outputs free. Both USB cables are included. Free station space software, no AIDA64 required. Monitor system data and use free themes, plugins, JPG, GIF, MP4, weather, news, and stock widgets. Station space must remain running. Windows 10 11ths only, not compatible with Mac OS or Linux. Flexible case mounting. Install the PC case display horizontally or vertically using the included case fan mounting bracket and rear threaded holes. Check the 9.54 x 2.48 x 0.47 inches clearance before purchase for your ATX, Micro ATX, or ITX case. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.